Car jacks are essential for safely lifting vehicles, enabling tire changes, repairs, and routine maintenance with stability and convenience. Today's video is about top 5 best car jacks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AV Steel Low Profile Floor Jack for Cars. This low-profile hydraulic floor jack is a solid choice for car owners who need reliable lifting performance for everyday maintenance tasks. Designed specifically for cars and low-clearance vehicles like sedans, hatchbacks, and coupes, it easily slides under vehicles with as little as 3.4 inches of ground clearance, making it highly practical for sports and lowered cars where standard jacks fail to fit. With a lifting capacity of up to 2.5 tons, 5,000 pounds, and a range extending to 14.6 inches, it delivers enough power for most passenger vehicle needs, provided compatibility is checked beforehand. The single-piston quick-lift hydraulic system ensures smooth and efficient lifting with minimal effort, saving both time and energy during use. Built from durable steel, it feels sturdy and long-lasting, while the rear rotating wheels make positioning simple and controlled. The 360 degrees rotating saddle enhances stability, reducing the risk of slipping during lifting. Safety is well considered with an overload protection valve that helps prevent accidents. Overall, this is a dependable, user-friendly floor jack backed by a 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer support, making it a practical investment for routine vehicle maintenance. Now our second product is Yellow Jacket Floor Car Jack. This 3-ton hydraulic floor jack is a powerful and versatile lifting tool designed for a wide range of vehicles, including family cars, trucks, and SUVs. Built from a combination of heavy-duty steel and durable aluminum, it offers a strong yet lightweight structure that enhances both durability and handling. With a lifting capacity of 6,600 pounds and an impressive range from 100 mm, March 15, 16-inch, to 465 mm, May 18, 16, it easily handles most lifting tasks in garages or roadside emergencies. The dual-piston pump system is a major advantage, allowing the jack to reach maximum height much faster than standard single-pump models, saving valuable time during use. Its low-profile design also ensures compatibility with vehicles as low as 3.94 inches. Safety is well prioritized with a large rubber saddle and foam bumper that help protect the vehicle from damage. An integrated load-limiting protection system adds extra security by preventing overload-related risks. Mobility is smooth and controlled thanks to the four-wheel design and side handle for easy positioning. Overall, this floor jack delivers excellent strength, speed, and safety, backed by ANSI/ASME certification and a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Our third product is Tonda Hydraulic Portable Car Jack. This hydraulic floor jack is a compact and reliable solution for everyday vehicle maintenance, especially suited for most standard cars. With a lifting range from 4.9 inch to 11.8 and a load capacity of 3,800 pounds, it provides enough strength for routine lifting tasks such as tire changes and basic repairs. Safety is a key feature, thanks to the built-in bypass system that helps prevent overloading and ensures more secure operation during use. The hydraulic lifting mechanism delivers smooth, controlled lifting, making it easier and more efficient to raise vehicles with minimal effort. Designed with user convenience in mind, this jack includes 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel wheels, offering excellent maneuverability even in tight garage spaces. Its lightweight build and integrated carrying handle make transportation simple and hassle-free. Durability is also well addressed, with heavy-duty steel construction and a rust-resistant finish that enhances long-term performance. The compact, space-saving design allows for easy storage in a trunk or garage without taking up much room. Overall, this is a practical, safe, and easy-to-use floor jack ideal for regular car owners looking for dependable performance in a compact form. Now number 4, DNA Motoring Low Profile Car Jack. This hydraulic jack and jack stand combo is a practical and reliable solution for basic vehicle lifting and support needs at home or in the garage. It includes a 2-ton, 4,000 pounds, floor jack along with a pair of ratchet jack stands, giving users a complete setup for safe lifting and securing most standard cars. However, it is not recommended for pickup trucks, large SUVs, or oversized vehicles. The low-profile floor jack offers a lifting range from 5.1 inch to 13, making it suitable for low-clearance vehicles while still providing smooth and stable hydraulic lifting. Large steel casters and swivel wheels make positioning easy and controlled, even in tight spaces. The included jack stands feature adjustable heights from 11-inch to 17, with a strong multi-position ratchet system for secure locking. Their wide pyramid base enhances stability, ensuring safer support during maintenance tasks. Safety is further improved with an overload protection valve and a large saddle that helps distribute weight evenly. The jack is strictly designed for lifting only, while the stands are required for holding the vehicle securely. Overall, this combo delivers good safety, stability, and convenience for routine car maintenance. And our last choice is Jack Boss Steel Racing Floor Jack. This 3-ton aluminum and steel floor jack is a powerful and versatile tool designed for a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, MPVs, station wagons, travel trailers, and minibuses. With a strong lifting capacity of 6,600 pounds and a range from March 15, 16-inch to May 18, 16, it handles most lifting tasks with ease. Its compact dimensions also make it practical for garage storage and regular use. The low-profile design is a major advantage, allowing the jack to slide under vehicles with very low ground clearance. This makes it especially useful for sports cars and lowered vehicles that standard jacks cannot fit under. The dual piston system ensures quick and effortless lifting, reducing the number of pumps needed to reach the desired height. Built from aluminum billet and welded steel, it offers excellent durability and long-term strength. Steel casters and swivel wheels provide smooth maneuverability, while the sturdy handle makes transport convenient. The large rubber saddle helps protect the vehicle during lifting. Safety is well supported with ANSI/ASME compliance and professional testing. Overall, this jack delivers a strong balance of performance, safety, and ease of use, backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.